Alright, hey YouTube, Fredmon. Alright, so you guys wondered what motor I got. It's just 13.5 Vanguard, but it's big block. You guys didn't tell. Barely have any room right there. I have no room right there. Fuel pumps on her. She's got an oil pump in her and oil slinger. Basically, ran out of water. It's building basically a skid plate. It's gonna have a plate that goes over it to this, so that way the winch is protected if I ever wreck it. And if I want to take it off, the only thing I gotta do is cut the weld on this side and cut the weld on the other side, and she'll pull right out of the pole. But I gotta show you the exhaust real quick. This is the exhaust. Turn down through here, put a bend in it and another bend up the back. And you guys are asking, I was just fucking around with these little tires because my other tires kind of tear up the yard, so just put these little tires on there. They're little 18.5s, but originally it was my idea was I was gonna run them on the front, but they give you the wobble, so that was a no-go. Alright, these are the original tires I run. And basically, they're good old Titans. 20 by 8 by 10s. Not for highway services, but I take them up over those speeds. Made in the USA. You never get those. And like, look, they're still dry rod and cracking, but these are freaking 20-something years old tires. But basically what they are is they're multi-tracks, so the grip on them, like my finger can't even touch the tire right now. It's a lot of grip on them. But alright guys, so there's that. I'll start her up for you guys and let's see what she sounds like. Alright, this is what she sounds like. I know she gets really choppy, then it speeds up, choppy, then it speeds up. I don't know. Get through a couple gears to show you guys. First gear. I'm not even pushing on the gas, just the idle. The rear end never weighs about 130 something pounds, everything I got on. Alright, so there's that. You guys see what she's about. Oh yeah, I was going to show you guys the lift we did on her. Basically, since we locked the front end and we didn't want to, or since I didn't want it sitting lower in the front no more, what we did was I chopped them off, dropped them down 1 1/4 inch, re-welded them back on there, so it's got a little bit of a lift, and the front end's locked, so it's even better. There it goes. What was I gonna say? I don't know. Alright, good. Well, Brunmar signing off. Just gonna show you a little bit what she did. She put out, but putting these big tires back on her, so she's got the speed back. But with these tires, she's got the power. But she's got power with those either way. It's just that big block bigger. But alright, guys. Brunmar signing off.